So how to install Lightroom photo and video editor app on iPhone. So just tap get. It's one of the top apps by Adobe for iPhone. It's a free photo and video editor that helps you capture and edit stunning images with powerful presets and amazing filters for pictures. Photo presets and filters for pictures. Make quick and easy edits with free presets, camera filter, and photo editor. Create amazing images with 200 plus exclusive premium presets created by professional photographers. Photo editing and camera, video editor, premium membership. So yeah, of course, it's an app from Adobe. And recently the thing is that they have a lot of these new AI filters, and of course, you need to sign in with your Photoshop account. But yeah, here in this app, you just have everything you need to edit, organize, store, and share your photos. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Of course, you need to sign in and have your Adobe ID or something. But this one of the top apps if you want to edit photos, remove backgrounds, add some effects, or yeah. And recently they just add in all these AI filters, and there is a lot of AI editing. Seems like this is the future scene which is coming, that you will just be able to, tell kind of, hey, I want this t-shirt on this photo to become red, or I want the sky to change to this color, and then you can just type it as prompts, and it will just be done like that. There are already demos of tools like that, but it's not completely there yet, but I hope that's coming.